Rightio, here we go. This chatbot template is a pretty cool one. This is for mainly home services, and in this example we're using carpet cleaning as a carpet cleaning service, and let's get into it. So this is what your ad would look like. These are the ones that actually get clicks, guys. Click on Learn More. It'll open it up, and right now I want to go and grab the quote and coupon. And we've now added this lead into the messenger list, of course, and we're going to grab a few details. So I'll just take them through here. We're pulling data from Facebook. If the data isn't there, they can type over it and put their own details in. We'll segment them into the type of service that they want, and we'll find out to get a better idea of when the service provider calls back, they can give a pretty good estimate on what it's going to cost. We've found that anything automated with a quote is probably not ideal, because the service provider really does need to call back and actually confirm a time, because there's different time scales for, obviously driving to certain bookings and all that jazz. It's got to be taken into account, and also gets a better idea of how much cleaning is needed, as well as doing a bit of an upsell. So we'll pop on that through. That's going to hit OK. That'll go straight through to the service provider, and of course we're going to grab the coupon. So I'll grab this coupon and use that coupon when the service provider calls back. So that's locking them in, and so effectively stopping them from going and getting a quote from another service provider. From here, obviously, we can show off all the different types of services that they provide. So what we're doing here is anything that they would have on their website, keeping it short and sharp and thin. Okay, we build that into this template. Now, this template is available. It is part of the AdsThatChat builder. All you need to do is obviously customize it for your business, and take care of it from there. Of course, we've got these are what we call web views. So it's tending to keep people inside of Facebook. That's not a web view, obviously, but something like this is. We can build a neat little website around that to pop up inside Messenger. And again, here where we've linked it in with Calendly. And that's it, folks. So that's another template that's available. It's a business services one or home services one, and that all comes part of it, guys. It's all you got to do is customize it and have it linked to your page, and you're off and running. So that's it from me. Signing out, Mike Hilson from the Chatbot agency. Make sure you get over to AdsThatChat.com, register, and start building your chatbots. All right. Take care, we'll chat later.